is your ass?
It's terrible.
Is it the size of that thing?
The phone?
The thing in your hand?
This? Yeah, it's about that size. It does look like that. Yo, seriously, like this. I don't even know what. Keep it going.
I don't know what else.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Yeah.
What's going on?
How you feeling?
Good, how are you?
Alright. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, just taking a whiz down here, bro.
Got this or what?
I think so.
Alright.
I need a little more torque. Back possession to the quarter, now we're heel to hip.
Alright.
That's Jay. That was such a bad example. It's been a while since I've been doing these. Whoa! Yeah, you got Geico, Allstate, what?
Wow! Can you do the Finger Smith kickflip out?
I don't think so.
No, with your hands, I mean.
What?
With your hands.
Oh, with my hands?
Damn, dude.
Oh! No one got that hype when I fucking landed. I don't think I have the leg strength anymore.
Yo! Oh! That was it. Alright, I'll give you $20 if you stick the next one.
Are you serious?
I mean, no, if you land the next one.
Alright.
Alright, $20. So I'll hold it.
For what?
You land it.
Alright, this goes in 01. Right here?
$20 a shot.
$20?
Yep. No way! No way! That's you cheated. That doesn't.
How did I cheat, dude? You saw that!
Nah, you baited me into that.
Got that money!
All right, back to that.
You want to put that 20 on this track? 20 right here! 20 right here!
What happened?
I did the tray, and then I bet the 20 on his trick, and he did the trick, and I gave him the 20.
And then?
And then? Your phone died.
Oh my God, how did I miss that?
I don't know if that's going to happen for another, like, a year.
Wow! Oh my God! Did it again!
Yes.
Wow! Yeah,
We edited it back to how it actually happened.
Good shot.
$20?
Yep. You cheated. That doesn't.
How did I cheat, dude? Got that money!
All right, back to that.
20 right here! 20 right here!
Oh my God!
I just need to get on. Shake on.
One try. One try.
Chipotle? Keto Chipotle?
Yeah, I'll buy Chipotle.
Alright,
Yeah.
just try.
Yep.
3 tries?
All right, 3 tries. I'll buy Chipotle. You wanted that Chipotle. Think he's gonna do it?
Go, 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 go!
I'll give you another one because
Another
a
one?
little bit of distraction. One more.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
Go, go, go.
A lot of jumping.